Igwedora boys ajara marelo gwai. Rijalo baga bitandolo telerisa. Rijalo baga bitandolo telerisa. Go 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 elagule.
The chairman-elect of Ikwerre local government area, Honorable Engineer Samuel Wanasike, has debunked claims by the current Minister of Transportation, Chibuike Rotimi Amechi, that unemployment is responsible for the security challenges faced by Rivers people in the state.
Rotimi Chibuike Amechi is deceiving himself, not the public. Because it's like he's living on his own world, as far as we are concerned. And sometimes I imagine if he does not take a flashback of who he is and the activities he has gotten involved in when he speaks. Because if he does, he won't be talking from two sides of his mouth and speaking out of points. Look at the kind of indictment he's indicting Mr. President. For Rotimi Chibuike Amechi to publicly say that the reason why we have insecurity in Rivers State and in other states of Nigeria is because of unemployment means that his party, who is the government at the center, has failed Nigerians. They promised Nigerians that they will provide employment, that Nigerians should vote out Jonathan if they want jobs. In fact, they even made a promise that they will pay those who do not have jobs stay-at-home allowance. Maybe Rotimi Amechi has forgotten that he was the one who bragged openly that he used the funds of Rivers State government, to support President Muhammadu Buhari and other governors of APC to take over power in their various states and the federation. And so, if Rotimi Amechi is not telling Nigerians today that his principal, President Muhammadu Buhari, has failed in providing job, has failed in securing our life and our properties, which is the first duty of government as enshrined in our constitution, then it's now obvious and true that all the denials Amechi has been making against the statements credited to him, all the leaked videos that have been coming to deny publicly the things he's saying against President Muhammadu Buhari, that he has not come home to say it properly to the people of Rivers State that President Muhammadu Buhari has failed Nigerians.
The council boss reminded Amechi of how he brought in incompetent service chiefs into Rivers and how he made a scam out of the state scholarship scheme during his tenure as governor.
Maybe Amechi has forgotten that he, Rotimi Amechi, is the one that have been choosing those that will come to serve in Rivers State as commissioners of police. Amechi has bragged singularly that he's the one that has been bringing the heads of the 6th Division of the Nigerian Army in Rivers State, the head of the Navy in Rivers State, the head of the Air Force in Rivers State. Amechi singularly nominates all the security heads. Even Director of SSS, Amechi will nominate. So Amechi is now agreeing, telling Rivers people that all the people he brought are those who cannot secure the lives and the properties of Rivers people. So Amechi is the one that has created the insecurity in Rivers State by bringing us men who he has claimed that don't have the capacity to manage the security architecture of Rivers State. That's what Amechi has done directly said, unknown to him. Because he has lost touch with reality. Because he does not know what to tell the people of Rivers State. A man who has been minister for 6 years can't point at one project he has attracted to Rivers State. He's telling us when he was governor, he appointed 13,000 teachers. Where? An appointment that was already put up 2 weeks to when he will hand over power because he wanted to cover his tracks of selling our 5 gas turbine. Is that the appointment Amechi is talking about? Or is Amechi talking about the scholarship program that he's giving to his cronies, that he will give it to people in Sokoto, people in Plateau State? The scholarship he was used to play politics for him to be recognized at the federal level.
Honorable Wanasike added that Amechi should stop bragging about weak vessels who just defected, that he, Amechi, should wait for a tsunami.
You cannot parade the likes of Rizinoya as political benefits. A man that the judiciary panel of inquiry indicted and sacked out of office. You see, when Amechi brag about weak vessels, and we will know the capacity of men that we have received from APC that is biting him, can you compare Rizinoya to the likes of Chidi Lloyd? What is the comparison? Or is it the commissioner, the man that was removed as a commissioner for agric, Charles Wogu from Eche. What are the political pedigree of these persons? And Amechi will not allow Rivers people rest. We don't want to join issues with him about defection. He should wait. Very soon he will see tsunami, the mother of all defection.
The soon-to-be sworn-in council boss rounded up by praising Ogoni people for honoring their son, Nyesom Wike, recently, but pleaded to President Muhammadu Buhari to caution and call Amechi to order.
We know why Amechi is worried. We know why he quickly put up the program yesterday. He put up the program to counter the great gift of the Ogoni ethnic nationality people have given to Nyesom Wike. The recognition that he never got as a sitting governor. The recognition that Ogoni people specifically say that this is the first time they are sitting as an ethnic group to recognize a man that have done well for the Ogoni kingdom. No, he can't water it down. Ogoni people have spoken and they've spoken loudly. Ikore people have spoken and spoken loudly. And they have said, God Almighty, we thank you for giving us a leader like Ezeboye Sowike. A leader that has traversed the 319 wards of Rivers State and the 3 local governments in Rivers State and has impacted on the life of Rivers people. Maybe Amechi does not know. Maybe he has not been told. Let me take the opportunity to tell him. Nyesom Wike is not only building roads. Nyesom Wike is building human capacity. Nyesom Wike is building healthcare services. Nyesom Wike is building all aspects of our life. Nyesom Wike is electrifying our rural community. Nyesom Wike is making sure Rivers State returns back to the treasure base of this nation. Transamadi is back in steam. Companies are returning back. People are pulling out of Lagos and bringing back the investment home. That's what we're talking about. Nyesom Wike is not that stock. Nyesom Wike is not a coward. Nyesom Wike is a leader that stands tall to defend the people of Rivers State. So Amechi's problem is that he's angry that the security agents have captured those that took the life of security agencies. And I want to say that the federal government should call Amechi to question. That means Amechi was happy that IPOB was taking the life of security agents, beheading them and destroying their properties. That means Amechi should be called to question. Because if Amechi makes the statement he's making, it means clearly he has something to benefit from the actions of IPOB. And he should be called to question. And I'm calling on Mr. President, I'm calling on the Inspector General of Police to call Amechi to question. If Amechi is supporting the beheading and the destruction of the lives and properties of security agents, then Amechi should be called to question. Having said so, Nyesom Wike is a trailblazer. He's the pride of Rivers people. And he has done well for the people of Rivers State. And we stand by him 100%. Thank you and God bless you.
Ekerudom, Box TV News.
Let me go down.